For making caramel syrup, melt half cup sugar in thick bottom vessel and in medium flame. The color becomes light brown, switch off the stove and add 1 cup boiled water a bit far from the vessel. Now switch on the stove. Reduce the sugar syrup into half cup in low flame. Add 1 spoon of lime juice. Our caramel syrup is almost ready. Transfer it into another bowl. Place a butter paper in the pan. Grind half cup sugar with cardamom. Cloves. A small piece of nutmeg and small piece of cinnamon stick. Take 1.5 maida. Keep 3 tablespoons from this in another bowl to mix the dry fruits. Add 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and half a teaspoon baking soda. Chop the orange skin, approximately 1 spoon. Sieve maida 2 to 3 times. We have taken here 1.5 maida. Separate egg yolks. Beat the egg white fluffy. Beat 100 grams butter. Quarter cup of refined oil. Add egg yolks and beat in medium speed. Add sugar powder, caramel syrup, and mix well. Add 2 spoons honey, and 1 spoon orange marmalade. And 1 pinch of salt also. You can add any fruit jam also. Now add maida step by step and mix it well by using a spatula or spoon. Dry fruits were soaked in red wine for 10 days and kept in fridge. The alternate for red wine is orange juice. You may soak the dry fruits one day before. Take dry fruits equal to maida. Mix 1½ of dry fruits with 3 tablespoons maida, which was already kept aside. Now add egg white step by step and mix the batter in cut and fold method. Now add the dry fruits and the orange peel, you can add any fruit essence or vanilla essence also, 1 spoon. Now add nuts and black raisins for extra richness. Transfer the batter into the cake tin and bake it for 60 minutes at 160 degrees in preheated OTG. Preheat the OTG in 160 degree for 10 minutes. Tap the pan 2 to 3 times. After 60 minutes, our cake is baked well. The cooking time may change depend on the model of the OTG. Keep the cake aside for 1 hour. See, our delicious sponge plum cake is ready for Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching.